Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to find the cube root of a number. First, you have to remember from 1 cube to 10 cube. So here you can see 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Like here, when there is 3, we will get 7. And when there is 7 here, we will get 3 in the unit place. And when here it is 2, we will get 8 in the unit place. And when there is 8, we will get 2 in the unit place. And except this 4 number, we will get the same number as it is. Here 4 and we will get 4 and in unit place. Here 5 we will get 5, 6 we will get 6, 9 we will get 9 and 0 we will get 0. So first take an example. First what you have to do? You have to choose the last 3 number from the right. And here the unit digit is 3. So the unit digit of the number must be 7. And take the least number, it is 19. Then find this 19 is between which two cube number? Here you can see it is between 8 and 27. 8 and 27 means 2 cube and 3 cube. And here always take the smallest number. So the smallest number is 2. So it will be 27. 27 cube will be this. Take another example. Here cube root of this. So take the last 3 number and here the unit place is 2. So it will be 8. And the rest of the number 314 is between which cube number? You can see here 6. Cube is 216 and 7 cube is 343. It is between this number. So 6 cube, 7 cube. So take the smallest number, it will be 6. So cube root of this will be 68. Take another example, cube root of this number. So last 3 number, it is 304. Unit place is 4. So it will be 4 as it is. And the last number, it will be between which number? 27 and 64. 27 and 64. So 3 cube and 4 cube. So smallest number is 3. So it will be 34. So cube root of this number will be 34. Here take another example. Here the last 3 number, it will 592. So last number is 2. So here it is 2. So the unit digit will be 8. And the rest of the number is 110. So it is between which cube number? You can see it is between 64 and 125. It is 64 and 125. It is 4 cube and it is 5 cube. So the smallest number is 4. So the number will be 48. So cube root of this number will be 48.